Keeping a low profile can be helpful in situations where you feel shy, uncertain about a new environment, or simply want to go unnoticed. To navigate these situations, try to blend into the crowd, follow social norms, and mind your own business. Observing the environment and learning the culture will help you understand how things operate and allow you to adjust your behavior accordingly. Avoid self-promotion, flashy clothes, and working in groups too often. Make an effort to socialize and build relationships, being careful not to isolate yourself or be too quiet, as this can backfire and draw attention to you. Follow the rules and use privacy controls on social media to protect your information. Limit your friends, post sparingly, and conceal your identity online. Listen more than you speak, ask open-ended questions, and avoid engaging in controversial topics to fly under the radar, and maintain a low profile.